In the intense race within the global military industry, the rise of fifth-generation fighter jets is no longer just about showing off technology. It's a clear signal of geopolitical power. Russia, which has long been recognized for its aggressive air strategies, has introduced the Su-75 Checkmate, a low-cost stealth fighter jet being advertised as an F-35 killer. But does this jet really have the power to shake up Western control in advanced air combat? Let's dive deeper and find out. The Su-75 Checkmate was first inexplicably revealed at the MAX 22-1 air show in Russia. This aircraft was developed by Sukhoi, a part of Thelager Russian defense group known ASD United Aircraft Corporation, UAST, which is under Rustic, a government. The Su-75 US development isn't an isolated effort. That's Russia's attempt to offer a lighter, less expensive version of the Su-57 Felon, which is Russia's original fifth-generation stealth fighter jet. With Russia facing economic struggles and ongoing international sanctions, that country is trying to design a powerful fighter jet that can be sold to foreign buyers, especially those who either can afford or are banned from buying the F-35 from the United States. The focus markets for this project are nations in the Middle East, Asia, Latin America, and Africa. These are regions where countries need access to fifth-generation jet technology, but don't have the financial ability or political persons to buy high-cost Western aircraft. The name Checkmate isn't just a catchy title. It's a deliberate miss aimed at challenging Western control over the fighter jet market. From its appearance, the Su-75 has a modern and sharp design that reflects the usual features of stealth aircraft. Its shape includes a delta wing layout, slanted wings, air intakes positioned beneath the body, and outward tilted tail fins. All of these are designed to lower the aircraft's radar visibility, essential quality for any stealth jet. Unlike the twin-engine Su-57, THES UE-75 is built with a single engine which makes it lighter and less costly to manufacture. Still, that doesn't mean the aircraft has weak performance. It's created using stealth-enhancing materials and radar-absorbent composites that reduce its radar cross-section. Its internal design also features a hidden weapons bay so that the plane can carry missiles and bombs without exposing itself on radar. These design choices show Russia's new mindstuff, mixing high-end tech with more efficient and budget-friendly. Although there's limited official information about the Su-75 onboard systems, Russian engineers claim the aircraft will include AESA active electronically scanned array radar, electronic warfare equipment, infrared jetting systems, and advanced pilot helmets. Artificial intelligence feeders are also expected, helping pilots make faster decisions during battle. This matters more than ever, as air missions are becoming increasingly complex in modern warfare. In terms of weaponry, the Su-75 will be able to use a variety of air-to-air missiles, ground attack missiles, and precision guide bombs. These will all be stored in the internal weapons bay to keep the aircraft stealthy. However, if needed, it can also carry weapons on the outside of the wings, though this would make the airplane easier to detect on radar. Its top speed is expected to reach Mach 1.8, and it will have a combat range of around 3,000 kilometers without the need for fueling. That makes it ideal for long-range missions in places like the Middle East, Central Asia, and Africa. The jet will be powered by a new generation Russian turbojet engine, probably a version of the ISD-30 engine used in the Su-57. This engine is supposed to be more fuel-efficient, lower in maintenance needs, and capable of high-thrust performance. The Su-75's flight agility is said to be equal to or even better than Western fighter jets in the same category, mainly because of its smart aerodynamic structure and digital flight control system. It's also built to work in modern network environments, meaning it can share information in real time with drones, radar stations, and ground defense systems. The Su-75 is often placed in the same league as America's F-35 Lightning II and China's J-35. When talk price, the Su-75 is expected to cost between $25 to $30 million per jet. That's a huge discount compared to the F-35, which can be priced around $18 million or more. This cost advantage makes the Checkmate attractive to developing nations. But in terms of real-world usage and readiness, the F-35 is still miles ahead. Lockheed Martin's 35 has already been used in various combat and training roles for years. It benefits from a mature support and logistics network and continues to receive regular updates for its software and weapon systems. In contrast, the Su-75 remains in its early stages. There are no confirmed reports of full-scale testing or active production. Also, no country has officially signed a deal to buy it, although Russia claims it will begin full-scale production by mid-2020s. Factors like economic instability and geopolitical tensions may delay that timeline. When stacked against China's J-35 or FC-31, the Su-75 shows similar capabilities, but follows a more traditional design path. What could give the Su-75 an edge is its emphasis on practicality. It's easier to maintain, costs less, but still holds deadly potential in combat. The Checkmate's biggest promise lies in providing fifth-generation technology to a market that's been overlooked by the West. However, promises in defensive technology don't mean much until they have come real. At the moment, the Su-75 is still being worked on, with no clear path to operational status yet. The very existence of the Su-75 has already sent a message to the world. It's making global powers keep a close watch on theories of military technology coming from the East. If Russia successfully brings jet into service and wins international buyers, it could become a major player in the next generation of aerial warfare. But if it fails, it will remind the world that no matter how good a design looks on paper, execution and delivery are everything in the military arena. The Su-75 Checkmate is a bold move by Russia to stay relevant in the future of air combat. With a focus on stealth, affordability, and next-gen features, it tries to tap into a unique space in the market nations wanting modern jets without paying top dollar. Still, until the aircraft is tested, produced, and bought, it's all theory. The stakes are high. If successful, it will be a powerful piece in Russia's dense puzzle. If not, it may become just another ambitious project lost to time. For now, the world watches this closely. Will Checkmate really challenge West's aerial supremacy, or will it remain just another prototype? Only time and action will tell. Make sure you didn't miss any updates on this or other cutting-edge military technologies. Subscribe now to Missile Lemons for more powerful stories, tech reveals, and global defense breakthroughs that